While there is increasing crime in the country and with the rise of hostile elements, the security camera market in India is a growing industry. Now, while there are a number of options available when one is going on a lookout for a security camera, a new entrant in this space is by Xiaomi, which aims to provide ease of use with its Mi Home Security Camera 360 degrees. So let's take a look at this camera and let's see what it has to offer. The Mi Home Security Camera 360 has a clean yet a very attractive design, and it looks almost like a toy, but it's not a toy. It is a very important addition in security. The main camera body is a spherical shell with a pill-shaped cutout that allows the camera lens to tilt up and down. There's also a micro SD slot below the lens, and on the back of the spherical body is the circular speaker grille. Now it's fully matte finish, and it blends into the walls that you keep it on, which could often make it look like it is part of the wall itself. For the security camera to work for you and to make the most of it, the Mi Home app is the first place to go. And that's very handy. The app is available, of course, on Android and iOS phones. And after downloading and launching the app, it guides you through the entire setup process so you can set it up according to what you need. It is also recommended to choose India, Asia server when using the app for the first time. The Mi Home app will configure the security camera and verify through the means of a QR code generated on the phone, so it's easy to set up as well. This camera is a 2-megapixel camera with a f2.1 aperture. Well, the quality of the videos are surprisingly good, especially when you compare it to other cameras in the same range. The camera's field of view is claimed to be 360 degrees, which means it turns all the way to the left and all the way to the right horizontally, and 96 degrees on the vertical axis. The biggest strength of the Mi Home Security Camera 360 is its ability to record videos even in darkness. So, you don't need lights on to keep yourself secure. The Mi Home Security Camera 360 perfectly channels Xiaomi's more bang for your buck philosophy, which is made it so successful, and it is applied to all of their products. But this one is definitely feature-rich as well as affordable. Well, it does lack cloud storage, and there are a few minor media output quirks that are shortcomings, but for the most part, I didn't notice too many red flags. It was a very good addition to any kind of security system, so you can definitely leave your security in my hands. I mean, Mi's hands.